If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah.
Ako naman mo, edit na.
Sino?
Ano to?
Nasya ka no? Happy birthday, Jeline! Happy birthday, Jeline! Ay, pila na may edad? 18, 19, 20! Hi, Mrs. Gabriela!
Jeline! Ako rin na nakauban naman sa Missing Race. Kaya namdam, birthday.
Happy birthday!
Jeline. Tawag nun.
Okay mo.
Jeline, gwapa ka ikaw eh. Sus, birthday. Okay, birthday.
Basta? Go.
Happy birthday, Jeline.
Birthday.
Hello?
Hi, Mama. Happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the very
17 ko lang siya, uy.
Ay, happy 17th birthday. Di hala, 17 pa ka na ilhan. Grabe na, 18 na ka. Hindi ko lang naman good. Joke lang. Hindi na bitawan ko, Mama. Wish you all the best in your special day. May you live a happy life. Always be contented of what you have. Then, stay what you are. Then,
Play.
happy birthday, Jeline. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jeline. Unta mo, dako na ka.
Tapos na?
Birthday niya. Happy birthday niya. Birthday niya sa imo day. Dako na ka. Ay pag binata-bata ha. Sige, happy birthday. Thank you so much, very much. And thank you much. Happy birthday, day. Ha?
Ang
Tugon
date
ba ko?
Miki karon.
Ha? Kung tunog ba? Happy birthday na lang, day.
Hi, Jeline. Happy birthday. Pag mature na, gamay. Wish you all the best. God bless. And thank God I have a friend like you. Bye-bye.
Go! Go! Karong ba? Surya! Sige na, padali ba?
Birthday. Sendya itong last day itong nasigitan na ka. Birthday na naman! Birthday na naman! Birthday! Birthday na naman!
Magalit.
Uy! Birthday na naman! Pero happy birthday na naman! Tawag yun yung mga
Okay, go, go.
Yung manak po! Ay, Besh! Wala na silang bukid! Bye-bye! Nagbalik!
Ano na drama?
Birthday, bye! Kahit ang pinabuhay.
Ay, nagpagdota.
Ano ba ito?
Wag mo.
Birthday niya, di ka ni Jilin ba? Great ba? Ha?
Great kay Jilin. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Besh!
Ay, Julie, happy birthday. Birthday na rin mo? Ay, naku. Birthday na mo? Share daw. Ha? Pumili ka ni taas. Happy birthday, Day.
Wala pa, Tito.
Hi, Klong.
Captain.
Sorry kung crush talk tagamay. Sorry sa mga paigo jokes. Wala na, Klong. Happy birthday.
Ano na yung joke mo ito?
Wala lang, mag-birthday ka kung joke. Joke naman ka ako.
Dili ka.
Okay, joke.
Ano mo kani? Go.
Happy birthday, Julie. Happy 70th birthday. Happy 80th birthday.
Tagay. Happy birthday. Bagay, cheers ba? Cheers. Oh.
Ay, ano ba na yan?
Inom nga. Inom ba? Inom. Ano man siya? 7-Up with alcohol. Cheers. Tagay, Jeline. Ay.
Hindi ko nagatagay. Minor pa ko.
Minor?
Anong mayor?
Anong minor? Naong ni mo, minor.
Minor pa ko kay Bagsang.
Birthday? So, okay na. Hi, Jilin! Happy birthday! Wish na ako more birthdays to come. And good life. Basta, birthday!
Thank you for being here and always nga nakakikoman. I can love you when everybody else can. God bless. I love you.